Welcome back to our Mac for Beginners series. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move files on your Mac properly. Here I have opened two Finder windows. One involves my Downloads folder, and the other is my Documents folder. To move files, go ahead and select one or multiple files that you want to move. Next, press Command-C to copy them. Now, head over to your destination folder and press Option-Command-V. Just like that, your files are moved, not copied. Let me undo that real quick by pressing Command-Z. Besides using keyboard shortcuts, you can obviously use your mouse to drag and drop. But here is a critical detail you need to know. If your source folder and destination folder are on the same hard drive, dragging and dropping will move the file. However, if they are on two different hard drives, dragging will only copy the file. Let me show you an example. My source folder is on my Mac's internal drive, and my destination is an external hard drive. If I use my mouse to drag and drop, macOS creates a copy. It does not move the file. So in this specific case, you have two options. You can use the Option-Command-V shortcut I showed you earlier, or you can right-click the file you want to move and hit copy. Then, go to the destination, right-click, and hold down the Option key. You'll see the menu change from Paste Item to Move Item here. Click that, and your file is moved perfectly. So that is how you move files using shortcuts, drag and drop, and the right-click menu, along with the crucial rule about different hard drives. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the playlist for more helpful Mac tips for beginners right here on the channel.